Welcome to 10 Concord Place. Steps from the beach, this 1 bedroom, 1 den unit is beautiful. Let's go take a look. So we have this evening kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a beautiful open concept living area to entertain family and friends.
The bedroom's got these amazing floor-to-ceiling windows with California shutters, and just down a short hallway you'll find a large walk-in closet and 4-piece bathroom. This building has great amenities, fitness room, large party room, and check out the amazing view from the rooftop terrace.